English Learners Podcast. Listen, speak, and grow your English confidence. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Fluent English Journey. This is day 3 of your 7-day shadowing challenge. This episode is your 5 to 8 minute English speaking practice. Even if you're busy, yes, even if you're walking, cooking, or just relaxing, you can do this right now. No excuses. You've got a few minutes, right? That's all you need. Remember, this is not just listening. This is speaking practice. So open your mouth and shadow with me. And make sure you stay with me until the very end. Don't pause. Don't skip. Let's begin. All right. Today, we're going to talk about simple daily habits that improve your life. Every evening, I take a few minutes to relax. Now you say it. I take a few minutes to relax. I sit down and take a deep breath. Now you say it. I sit down and take a deep breath. I try to clear my mind. Now you say it. I try to clear my mind. Sometimes I close my eyes for a moment. Now you say it. I close my eyes for a moment. Good. Then I think about my day. Now you say it. I think about my day. I remember the good moments. Now you say it. I remember the good moments. I also think about what I can improve. Now you say it. I think about what I can improve. This helps me grow every day. Now you say it. This helps me grow every day. After that, I prepare for tomorrow. Now you say it. I prepare for tomorrow. I make a simple plan. Now you say it. I make a simple plan. I write down my goals. Now you say it. I write down my goals. This makes my day easier. Now you say it. This makes my day easier. Sometimes I feel very tired. Now you say it. I feel very tired. But I still try to do something small. Now you say it. I still try to do something small. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Now you say it. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Then I do something I enjoy. Now you say it. I do something I enjoy. I listen to calm music. Now you say it. I listen to calm music. Or I read a few pages of a book. Now you say it. I read a few pages of a book. This helps me relax. Now you say it. This helps me relax. Finally, I get ready for bed. Now you say it. I get ready for bed. I turn off the lights. Now you say it. I turn off the lights. I put my phone away. Now you say it. I put my phone away. I try to sleep early. Now you say it. I try to sleep early. Before I sleep, I say one positive thing to myself. Now you say it. I say one positive thing to myself. I tell myself, I did my best today. Now you say it. I did my best today. And tomorrow, I will do even better. Now you say it. Tomorrow, I will do even better. Great job! Now let's do a faster round. Try to follow me. Every evening, I take time to relax, think about my day, and prepare for tomorrow. Because small daily habits help me grow and stay focused. Even when I feel tired, I try to do something small, because even a little progress every day leads to big improvement. Excellent work, my friend! You are improving your English step by step. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fluent English Journey, and continue your 7-day challenge with me. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in day 4. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving. Bye for now.